places that you know seem like fantasy. There's a light inside your soul that's still shining in the cold, with the truth, the promise in our hearts. Don't forget, I'm with you in the dark.
The sad story of Toby. Once, an engine attached to a train was afraid of a few drops of rain. It went into a tunnel and squeaked through its funnel and didn't come out again. The engine's name was Henry. His driver and fireman argued with him, but he refused to move. "The rain will spoil my lovely green paint and red stripes," he said. "And what will happen to me then?" The guard blew his whistle and waved his red-green flag, but Henry refused to leave the tunnel. Then, someone came out of Henry's coaches. It was Sir Topham Hatt, the man in charge of the railway. "Henry," he said, "if you won't come out of the tunnel, we will pull you out." Henry only blew steam at him. The fat director soon said, "We will pull you out," he said. But Henry only blew steam at him and made him wet. They took the rope on and all pulled, except the fat director. "My doctor has forbidden me to pull," he said. They pulled and pulled and pulled, but still Henry stayed in the tunnel. They then tried pushing Henry out of the tunnel. They all went to the back, and the fat director said, "1, 2, 3, push!" And they all pushed, except the fat director, because, as he put it, "My doctor has forbidden me to push." But no matter how hard the passengers pushed, Henry still remained in the tunnel. Even when they told Henry that it stopped raining, Henry only said, "But it will rain again soon. It won't be covered by paint and stripes then." Soon, another engine came by. The guard waved him down. The guard waved him, announced that they could help push Henry. He agreed and started. And he still Eventually, even Sir Topham Hatt gave up. "We shall take away your rails," he said, "and leave you here for always and always and always." They started by taking the old rails so no one would crash into Henry. Next, they built a brick wall in front of him so nobody could crash into him as well. Now Henry can't get out, and he watches the other engines rush by. He is very sad, because no one will ever see his lovely green paint with red stripes again. But I think he deserves it, don't you?